Now, two-step equations can come in many forms. The main part is we have to simplify. So we have only like terms we have to deal with. We follow BEDMAS from the bottom up, so starting with addition and subtraction. We need to remember our rules of exponents when we're multiplying, where to cancel out. Like if we are multiplying exponents, we have to plus them. If we're dividing, we have to minus them. And then also our inverse operations, where if it's 4x, we now, to cancel out that 4, we have to divide it. And remember, we always want x alone, and we want a positive. So let's jump in. So firstly, we want to solve these brackets. These ones over here, we need to remove. So we work from the outside to the inside. Okay? So I'm going to take this 2, and I'm going to distribute it inside to everything inside. Now, why I'm not going towards the brackets? Because this number in front of the bracket will anyways multiply with everything inside. So that means I don't have to go and do that again. That's like double jobs you're doing. So you don't need to do all that. Okay. So let's start. I'm going to have 2 times 3, which is 6, minus 4. And I have x minus 1 inside the bracket still, and that is equal to 4x. Now again, I need to go do my distributive property. We have to take this negative 4. Remember, it has to go with its sign and has to multiply with everything inside. So if I do that, I'm going to have 6 minus 4x. And a negative times a negative is a positive 4. And that is equal to 4x. Okay, now we have removed all our brackets. Now we start again with BEDMAS from the bottom up. So we are going to be putting like terms together. Now, you can sort out the left side and then sort out the right side as ever you want. So here I have 6 plus 4, which gives me 10 minus 4x. And that is equal to 4x. We always take it to where x will become a positive. So if we look over here on the right hand side, this is already a positive, and this negative, if I throw it over, it's going to become a positive. So I'll have 10 is equal to 4x plus 4x. So 10 is equal to 8x. And then again, I want x alone, and I want it positive. So to do that, I need to go and divide both sides by 8. These two cancel each other out, so I'm left with just x on my right-hand side. And 10 divided by 8 is 1 and 2 over 8. Now this you can simplify even further and becomes 1 1/4 is equal to x.